Studies have shown that as many as 54% of people crack their knuckles. Over time, it becomes an unconscious habit which does not demand much of effort, says an expert. We may not realize, but certain habits, even though we may do it absent-mindedly, may lead to health concerns in the future. One such habit is cracking one's knuckles. Some people are just fond of the sound that knuckle cracking produces, while others just like the way it feels. Some people believe that cracking of knuckles makes more room in the joint, relieving tension and increasing mobility. But there is no medical evidence if cracking actually does that. Some people begin cracking their knuckles when they are nervous or stressed. How does the cracking sound occur? There are not very specific reasons known for the pop sound that comes when the knuckles are cracked. Some attribute it to the nitrogen bubbles either forming or collapsing in the joint fluid, while others believe it comes from movement of the ligaments around the knuckle. The tendons or muscles moving over the joint can also cause the sound. Does it have any side effects? There are no major concerns surrounding the knuckle cracking. However, if the cracking is painful, leads to swelling, or changes the shape of the joint, then it can be a cause of worry, as it may be due to underlying gout or arthritis. In rare scenarios, there are also chances of the finger being pulled out of the joint or the ligaments around the joint being injured.